हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल इंग्लिश कैसे सीखें। सो इन दिस वीडियो आई विल लिबरेट यू समथिंग tips about how to learn vocabulary. Means, yes friend, if you know the grammar, basic grammar, and even you know how to make sentences, how to make small sentences, but if you don't know the particular word in English, means if you do not know what is the meaning that particular word in English, whatever you want to speak, if anyone can ask you something and you want to give answer in English, but even you know basic grammar and how to make sentence, but if you don't know the meaning, yes, if you do not know what is the meaning of that particular word, then what you do, then what will you do, my dear friends? Are you give your answer, did you give your answer in Hindi? Yes, you want to, then that time you want to give your answer in Hindi, even though you know grammar, you know how to make sentence, but let's understand what is the problem behind it. The problem behind it, I would like to tell you, when I was learning, means when I still I am learning, but when I was started learning, that time for some time I was not write down any word. Yes, if you are listening any video for practicing, for improving your English, any video, any podcast, any cartoon video you are listening, that time don't forget to on the subtitle. Okay, you should have to listen any video with subtitle, and after that particular word which meanings you do not know, then you write down on your copy on any piece of paper, and then after that watching that video, you have to Google that word and know the meaning. Okay, you just start subtitle, and after that you should watch your video, then you know the meaning of that particular word in Hindi, and after that you just make some sentences related to that word. Okay, you just make some sentences, means for example, you have a word destiny. Destiny means takdeer, bhagya. You have to make sentence related to this sentence, whatever you want to, you can make whatever comes in your mind related to this sentence. Just you make some sentences like English speaking is not in my destiny, means English बोलना मेरे भाग्य में नहीं है. Like this type of sentence you have to make. How much you can make, you have to make this type of sentence related to this sentence, 4, 5, 6, 7, how much you can make. Okay, after that you will see in future, if you are talking, and that time you realize that sentence, that word very simply, very easily, that particular word is was set in your mind. Okay, and after that you can use easily that sentence, that word related you can easily make sentences related to that word. Okay, so one thing is, when you are watching videos, then don't forget to on subtitle, and after that particular word which meaning you do not know, you have to write down in your copy or in your piece of paper, and after that you should go to Google that particular word, and after that, knowing the word meaning of that particular word, you should have to make much sentences, how much you can make, and after that you write down in your copy. Okay, so by using this method I am also practicing, still I am practicing, you can understood, and I am saying just for your help, because it is helpful for me, and that's why I am telling you, if you are using this method, this is very helpful method, it will be very helpful for you. So please do this if you want to become fluent, if you want to enhance your English. Okay.